How to turn off autofill password. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can turn off the settings of your autofill password. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your settings application from your device. Now in here, scroll below and go on to security and privacy. As you do so, tap onto it. Scroll at the bottom of the page and tap on More Privacy Settings. Here you will see Autofill service from Google. Tap open that option. And by default, if you have this option toggled on, simply toggle it off. And as you do so, all the passwords that are saved in your Google account won't get filled automatically. You have to enter your password manually in order to access any sites that you are trying to get logged into. Just like so, this is how you can do it. So thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. In the meantime, like our video and subscribe to our channel for more.